Hi, this is Michael Latham with Finale Inventory. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to import builds into Finale. Bulk importing builds is a great way to get multiple assemblies or manufacturing processes entered in quickly and efficiently. So we're going to start on a spreadsheet, and at a bare minimum we'll need 4 columns: our build ID, the product ID that we're producing on that build, the quantity we're looking to produce on that build, and the sublocation we'll be pulling our inventory from. So we see with our builds, we're looking to create a bunch of our outfits that we've already created in Finale. We can actually pop in really quick, and let's go to our red outfit, for example. And I just want to show you our bill of materials. So we see here we have our red polo shirt, our golf shoes, and our khaki shorts. These are all the goods that go into making our red outfit. So from here, we're ready to import our builds. All we'll want to do is head to our Inventory tab and select Builds. From here, we see the blue Import Builds button in the top right. We'll just want to select this. And we're ready to take the data from our spreadsheet and paste it in. So let's head to our spreadsheet. Let's copy all of our data. And we can go ahead and paste it in. So we see here we're getting green, so we have 3 new builds that we're going to be creating. Product ID to produce is correct. We see here that quantity actually isn't being picked up. That's fine. Let's just go ahead and find quantity to produce. That's what we're looking for. And our sublocation is correct. So we're ready to start this import. Just going to give it a second. So our builds have been successfully imported. Let's go ahead and check them out. So if we go into 113, this is our red outfit. We see here that our product ID to be consumed is the correct bill of materials, that red polo shirt, khaki shorts, and golf shoes. And we're going to be producing 70 of this outfit. So this is all looking good. From here we can go ahead and either start the build or start and complete it. Either is fine. If you'd like, you can also bulk import the status to batch complete or batch start orders for your builds. By doing that, we can just go to our spreadsheet again, and we're just going to add in an additional column. We're just going to title it status, and we're going to mark it as completed for these builds. Just going to go ahead and drop that down. So now we can import this data again. Just going to copy it. And we're going to head back into our build screen. And we're going to import builds. And just like before, we're just going to paste this in. We're going to go ahead and assign quantity to the correct column header, so quantity to produce. And now, with this status, Finale will automatically complete all of those builds that we have created as well with this import. So we're going to go ahead and start it. And we're going to start the import. So now let's go ahead and check out those builds. If we click in here, we'll see that we don't see anything. That's because we imported as a completed build, so we're going to want to clear this out, change our status to completed. So now we can find our 3 builds that we've completed. Let's click back into that red. And we see here that our status is complete, and we've created those 70 outfits down here. And that will conclude how to import builds in Finale. Please visit service@finaleinventory.com for any questions or inquiries. Thank you.